In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb located on the inner portion of your headlamp assembly on the driver and passenger side. This covers 2005 Chrysler 300. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver. We're going to loosen up our intake hose clamp to our airbox. Using our 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. There's two tabs on the front of our airbox. We're just going to pull those back. And this will unlock the airbox from the base. Work the intake tube off and pop this up and off. On the back side is a little vacuum hose. You can just twist this a little bit. Set that aside. Pull the base out, set that aside. That's going to give us access to the back side of our headlamp. Now right here on the inboard bulb, this is our high beam. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my plastic trim tool right here. I'm going to go right here to the back side of the connector. I'm just going to go ahead and pry out gently. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to pull down on the connector. Just disconnecting this. Next step you want to do is grab the bulb and we're going to turn that counterclockwise. It's going to come to a stopping point, and then you can go ahead and remove the bulb. Now on your headlight bulb, there's going to be 3 tabs. These are keys. They fit in a specific way on the back side of your headlamp assembly. I'm going to go ahead and line this up, fit that in, and we're going to turn that clockwise, and you're going to feel it stop. Simply grab that connector that we removed previously, line that up on the bottom of your light, and once it's there, just pull that up. You're going to feel that snap into place. Install your lower air box down into place. Go ahead and install the bolt here. Just want to make sure that that is snug. Take your airbox lid. I'm going to put the 3 tabs on the back side of the base itself. Don't forget to install your vacuum hose here that goes on the back side of the airbox lid. So just work that into place. And as you're working this back onto the base, go ahead and work that intake tube in and press down, and you'll hear these 2 snap into place. Double check that vacuum hose on the back. Make sure the intake tube is lined up in place, and go ahead and secure that clamp. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.